Job and occupation with description. Doctor. Doctor provide medical care and treatment to patients. Engineer. Engineers design, develop, and maintain various systems and structures. Nurse. Nurse assists doctors in providing healthcare services and often offer direct patient. Police. Police officers maintain law and order, ensuring the safety of communities. Chef. Chef prepare and cook food in restaurants, catering services, or other culinary settings. Firefighters. Firefighters respond to emergencies, including fires and accidents, to protect lives and property. Accountant. Accountants manage financial records, prepare reports, and help with tax planning. Writer. Writer create content for books, articles, websites, and other forms of media. Electrician. Electricians install and maintain electrical systems in buildings. Architect. Architects design and plan the construction of buildings and structures. Teacher. Teachers educate and guide students in various subjects. Graphics designer. Graphics designers create visual content for websites, advertisements, and print materials. Lawyers. Lawyers provide legal advice and represent clients in legal proceedings. Carpenter. Carpenters work with wood to construct, install, and repair structures and furniture. Librarian. Librarian manage and organize libraries, helping people find resources and information. Photographer. Photographers capture images for various purposes, including events and advertising. Pharmacist. Pharmacists dispense medications and offer advice on their proper use. Dentist. Dentists diagnose and treat dental issues and provide oral health care. Pilot. Pilot operate aircraft, ensuring safe and efficient flights. Hairdresser. Hairdressers cut, style and color hair in salons. Plumber. Plumbers install and repair plumbing systems in buildings. Farmer. Farmers cultivate crops and raise livestock for food production. Social worker. Social workers provide support and resources to individuals and families in need. Mechanic. Mechanics repair and maintain vehicles and machinery. Receptionist. Receptionists greet visitors, answer phones, and perform administrative tasks in offices. Banker. Banker handle financial transactions and offer banking services to customers. Translator. Translators convert written or spoken content from one language to another. Security guard. Security guards protect properties and maintain safety in various settings. Surveyor. Surveyors measure and map land, providing information for construction and development. Fitness trainer. Fitness trainers guide clients in physical exercises and help them achieve fitness goals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube.